Hey guys, look who I've got back with me, Dana Popoff, and we're going to do another, or she's going to do another recipe. So tell them what you're doing today.
I am doing a recipe. It's a really quick and easy and very tasty recipe from this Slim Down South Cookbook. A very, very dear friend of mine, Carolyn O'Neil, who's a registered dietitian, took a number of Southern recipes and made them very tasty and healthy and low fat. I highly, highly recommend this cookbook. There are just tons of really great recipes, and this is one that is a great light coleslaw recipe that you can put together in 10 minutes.
I love that. The Slim Down South Cookbook.
Slim Down South Cookbook.
I love it.
Carolyn O'Neil, registered dietitian.
That's wonderful.
She's the
We've
best.
got to get that.
Good.
I've got to get that one.
Dear, dear friend.
Oh, that's great.
So,
Will she sign it for me?
oh sure.
Okay, go ahead.
So I'm just going to walk through some of these ingredients before we start looking down at what we're doing here. This red pepper jelly is a really versatile ingredient. You can do lots of things with this. It's one of the ingredients in our sauce for the coleslaw, but you can use it as a side to dip your pork or chicken in, or Kaye enlightened me today and said you can even pour it over some cream cheese and have it with some crackers and stuff. It's really great. This particular brand I got at Costco, but you can find pepper jelly in just any grocery store.
Mm-hmm.
This is going to use some fresh ginger. This is a ginger and peach slaw that we're making. And actually it calls for topping it off with some fresh peaches, but peaches weren't really looking great right now, so I got some nectarines and I chopped it up, so we'll be using that at the end. And it also calls for, you could also, instead of nectarines, you could use kiwi. Kiwi's actually really good with this, and it's pretty, you know, with the green.
Can you do plums as well? Would plums
Probably, yeah. I think any kind of, you know, sort of
meaty, more fruit
would be good. And the recipe calls for some chopped peanuts, quarter cup of chopped peanuts to toss in at the end. You could use pistachios, you could use, you know, any other kind of nut that you like. But this is sort of, it has a little bit of an Asian profile to it because we have some rice vinegar and some dark sesame oil, but it's a really, really quick recipe.
Oh, wow. That's
10 minutes or less.
That's what we want, right? We want quick and easy.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Do we want to look down at what we're doing?
Yeah. Okay, we'll be right back. Let me get it set up. Okay, we're back.
Okay. So we're going to start with our pepper jelly. This is 3 tablespoons of pepper jelly. And we have a quarter of a cup of rice wine vinegar. We have 1 tablespoon of this dark sesame oil. You've probably seen this. It's in the Asian aisle at your grocery store.
Okay, we're back. It's we had a hiccup there. Go ahead.
Okay. We have a quarter of a cup of canola oil and a quarter teaspoon of salt, table salt, sea salt, whatever. And we're going to use, I believe it's a half a teaspoon. I'll have to double check the recipe. I don't actually measure the ginger really. I use this microplane grater and just peel back some of the ginger and just grate it directly into the bowl.
Yeah, you just peel the ginger, the skin off the ginger.
Yeah, and then you grate it. And you know, ginger, if you like ginger, you can almost never have too much ginger.
That's right.
So I just washed my hands, so I'm just pushing this ginger right into the bowl.
You know.
That's all right. This is good.
Okay, cool.
Don't ever hesitate to use your hands as long as they're clean.
That's right.
Hands are sometimes the best tool.
Isn't that the truth?
So you mix this all up.
Well, that even looks good to go in it, you know?
It's great. It's really tasty. And then you can buy this coleslaw, already pre-shredded coleslaw at the grocery store. This is a 16-ounce bag, and you just dump that in the bowl.
Perfect.
Doesn't get much easier than this.
Perfect.
And then I'm going to just push this around a little bit. I should just use my hands. Like I said, best tool is your hands.
That's what God made us for, made hands for, right?
Exactly. And then you just pour this over the shredded slaw.
Yeah, this is easy, and oh, it looks so good.
I'll use these tongs.
Okay.
Just mix it up, get it all coated in there.
Wow.
You smell that sesame oil?
I know, it smells so good. I love sesame oil, don't you?
I do.
Do you
I use it all the time.
You do? Yeah, I
grill,
love it too.
Grilled chicken with it, and I, use it in like stir fry recipes and stuff like that. It's really, really good.
Dana is a great cook.
I love to cook.
Yeah.
And don't get me wrong, I love to spend time in the kitchen, but fast, easy, you can't beat it.
That's right.
Okay, so that's basically the slaw. And like I said, it calls for peaches, but I used the nectarines because peaches just weren't looking great at the moment.
You really cut those up good.
And this beautiful bowl was made by Kaye's niece.
Yeah, Kristen made
makes
that
these
bowl.
bowls. And then I'm gonna use 1/4 cup of our chopped peanuts.
Oh
on
my
top.
gosh, that is phenomenal.
So it's
this
got a
will
little Asian flavor to it. You
yeah.
could put some cold shrimp in this and have make a meal out of it.
Perfect.
So
I love that.
So we're
That's
gonna-
perfect.
so isn't it pretty?
Oh, I love it. It's so pretty, and I hope y'all can see that. Yeah, you can. It's just beautiful, and it smells so good.
So there you go.
And do you, if you don't do it with shrimp, do you do it like a side, like with
Oh, this can just
like
be a
with
side dish.
with
You know,
anything,
with
right?
anything, yeah.
You could, or do it with shrimp or whatever.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's,
but that's easy.
In the summertime, you know, this is a really great recipe if you're having a picnic outside because it doesn't have all the the mayonnaise and the stuff in it that goes bad. I mean, you still shouldn't leave food outside for too long, but this is at least lighter and doesn't have the same kind of tendencies to go sour fast.
Okay.
So,
Well,
yeah.
we'll be right back. We'll do a taste test. Right? Oh, okay. We'll have a little taste test here. Let's see what this tastes like. It looks so good.
You got a big piece of radicchio there.
I do. I got a big mouth. It's okay. No, I better do that. Oh man. Oh Dana, that's phenomenal. And it's so good. Y'all have got to do this recipe. I have a little bit more.
Thank
Delicious.
you, Carolyn. It's great.
Thank you, Carolyn, for sharing your recipe with us. Thank you, Dana. I want to thank you again for coming. I just spit all over you.
We have fun in the kitchen.
We have a good time. Hope you guys have a great day, happy day, and watch for more recipes with Dana. Be kind, be kinder than they are, and don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back.